how to remove background in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove background in Canva in a very simple way. Alright, for those who are new to Canva is simply a web-based graphic design tool which you can use for designing presentations, infographics, banners, thumbnails. You can do virtually almost anything. You can actually create videos here and also get videos like well edited for your social media and all that. You can do that here on Canva. It's very simple, guys. There is even branding. You can do that here on Canva, very easy. And Canva has two levels of subscription. Canva has got the free and the pro. There's free, there's pro, there's teams, right? But mostly guys, people either use free or pro. Now, what's the difference between free and pro? And the free version, guys, is free. You pay nothing. That's a fact. But the thing is, you will not have access to all the pictures, all the images, and all the functions of Canva. But in the pro version, you get about everything. You get the ability to edit the way you want to edit. And to be honest with you, taking off the background is simply only possible using the pro version upwards. You cannot do that with the free version. Alright, so guys, if you have Canva and you're wondering why you can't do this, is because you have the free version. So the pro version is what I'm using right now. That's the reason why I can do it. Alright, so let's go jump into the procedure for taking off the background using the pro version of Canva. Alright, so let's go right here. Let's go to home right here. As you can see, this is my home tab here, and go to your home tab. Next thing you do is to go to create a design. Click right there. It opens up and you can choose what you're creating. Let's say I'm creating an Instagram post. Okay, that's my example, but let's say you're making a thumbnail as well. You can do what you want to do, but let's say for the sake of this video I'm going to say Instagram post right here. I'm going to choose this, and it provides me the layout of what I'm creating here. It's a square 1080 by 1080 pixels. That is the dimension of the Instagram post, as you know. Okay, so what I have to do next is to I need to import a picture into this frame and then take off the background. Okay, let's say the picture you're about to work on is from an external source. Let's say it's on your PC, on your drive, it's on your, let's say it's on a website. Let's say let's go to a website right now to get a picture. Let's say it's on a website like let's say we say Pixels. Pixels, it's a website where you can get like free stock footage and images. So let's go to right, let's go to the home page, Pixels, and just scroll down to see any beautiful picture we can find. Let's say we are working with something that looks nice. Okay, that looks nice. I think I like this picture, right? Let's use this one. It's quite funny. I like it. All right, let's use one. So you just download the picture right here. So let's say it's in your drive. If it's in your drive, it's fine. Okay, but if it's on a website like Pexels, you can download the picture right here. You can download right here. As you can see, make sure the picture you're downloading is a free to use and copyright free picture, just because you don't want to have any flags on your videos or on your post. Okay, so once that's done, guys, go to Canva and then import that picture here. And how do you do that? You go right here to upload, go to upload file, and choose the downloaded picture right here, and it starts to load in. Okay, so once that's complete, you can choose that picture and it's imported right into the frame. All right, so now we have the picture in the frame. The next thing we're doing is taking off the background. All right, so to do that, guys, what we do is go to Canva. Okay, go to edit right here, click it, and you can see the options here. These are the recently used tabs here, but let's say yours is a brand new Canva. The option is going to be right here. It says background remover, and this sign here tells you that it's it tells you that it's available only on the pro version and not on the free version. Okay, that tells you that. Okay, so I have the free I have the pro version. That's why I'm able to access it. So I'm going to click on it right here to say background remover. So at this point, Canva has taken off the background of this photo, as you can see right here. So there we go. That's the picture done. And if you want to be sure that this is done, I'm going to show you how to verify that. Okay, it's like simply, let's expand this. Okay, expand this to the max. Okay, to the max. Okay, the max, and this is with the max. Okay, to the max. Max. And if you download the picture right here, it tells you download with a transparent background. If you choose this option right here and you download, you can see it's downloading. Now it's downloaded already. If I open this file right here, it says open when done. If you open that file, you can see that this image here has no background. You see here? Means it was downloaded successfully and the background was taken off by Canva. So that's one easy way to take off the background, how to remove the background in Canva. Right, so that is done, guys. Just to tell you exactly how this works, all right? So when you're doing this process, make sure that you click on the image before you go to click on the edits, right? For instance, let's say you clicked somewhere else, Canva will simply recognize what you clicked on before you clicked on the remove background. Let's say we clicked on something else and then we clicked on edit and then remove background. Canva will not take off the background of the image that was not clicked on. So make sure you click on the image that you're about to take off the background from. Right, so if that's all sorted, guys, I hope you understand by this time how to take off the background in Canva. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, please leave us a like, comment, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.